Ladies and gentlemen, hi, this is Marinyane Mokgethi, the founder of Yen Online Lesotho.news.blog. In this podcast, I am going to talk about affiliate marketing. But before I proceed with this podcast, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a new video or a new podcast, you are the first one to be notified that there is a new video that has been published. Now let me give you a brief description of what this podcast is going to be about. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways of earning money online. Bloggers or online entrepreneurs make a passive income using this method. If you want to make money online, you should consider affiliate marketing. Now, one day I was doing a research for my website. I was actually watching one of the videos which I stumbled upon online. That is when I got to know about Mike Bastille, a Philippine that has migrated to Chicago. I'm not sure whether Chicago is found in the United States of America or what, but this guy, from what he was narrating in his video, he earns over $100,000 a year from affiliate marketing. He makes this much from home through his blog. Now the question is, wouldn't you want to make money sitting from the comfort of your home? If you feel like, yes, I want this too, then don't go anyway. Be with me throughout this podcast as I give you the heads up about this topic of affiliate marketing. This topic is going to explain more on the terminology that is used in affiliate marketing. But before I do that, let me define what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting another person's product in return for monetary commission. So how does affiliate marketing works? Affiliate marketing works in such a way that an affiliate, a person joins an affiliate network or program. He or she reviews that particular product to his audience. When people buy that product using his or her own affiliate link, he gets rewarded for all of that. On my website, I am promoting a weight management product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This product helps people with obesity. If you are obese or you are fat, or you want to get rid of your cholesterol or the fat that is found in your body, this is the right product for you. I want you to go below this podcast, and on the description you will find a link where I am linking to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Go purchase this product. That way you will be helping my channel to grow, because the money that I am going to get through my affiliate link is used to promote and to help buying new things like cameras, microphones. So make sure that you go below this video and click that link and buy this product. Oh, don't forget to give us a like if you love this one. Now, what are the terms that are found in affiliate marketing? We have terms like impressions, earned link, pay-per link, advertiser, and affiliate. Now let's go through these terms one by one. What is an impression? An impression is the number of times an affiliate banner text, link or other promotional material is shown to a website visitor. Impressions are the ones that tell if there is a potential to make sales in a particular product you are promoting as an affiliate. For example, I have already mentioned that I am promoting an Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. If my review about this product appears 100 times or even more when a person searches on the search engine results such as Google, Yahoo, and many other search engines, that is considered an impression. However, be warned that to appear in such results, you have to optimize your reviews so that they can appear when a person surfs on the internet. The second terminology that is being used is earned link. In some affiliate programs such as CG Affiliate, Warrior Plus, Impact, and many others, you can make money through EPC, that is earned link. When I talk about EPC, I am talking about the amount of money you can make when a person clicks your affiliate links or banners. However, if your links are not generating any sales, you are not going to get anything. You will get zero results. For you to make sales, people have to do something like registering if that affiliate program you are promoting is a subscription product. Now let's move on to the third term, EPC formula. Let's move on how EPC is calculated. EPC is calculated by using this formula: commission divided by the number of clicks you generated. For example, let's say from your affiliate link you get $100. Then out of $100 you got, that amount is going to be divided by the number of clicks that you generated. So if you get $100 which was generated by 10 clicks, that will be like EPC is going to be 10 because 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So now let's move on to pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is the amount of money an advertiser is going to pay when an affiliate drives traffic to his product links. For example, every click an advertiser is going to pay something like $0.03 to an affiliate. So how is the pay-per-click formula being calculated? Pay-per-click equals total advertising cost divided by the number of ads clicked. Now we move on to another term, advertiser. This is a company or an individual who advertises his products in the affiliate network or programs. Anyone can be an advertiser in affiliate marketing. However, you will have to consider your budget to pay affiliates for promoting your product. Let's move on to another term, which is affiliate. An affiliate is a person who promotes advertised products on affiliate marketing programs. If you decided to promote products from brands like Nike, Adidas, you are considered an affiliate for Nike brand or for Adidas brand. You earn a commission every time people buy through your affiliate link. If a product costs $500 or 500 Maluti or 500 South African rands and the commission is 20%, you can imagine how much money you can make from promoting affiliate products. Many people have become millionaires through affiliate marketing. Now we move to affiliate marketing programs. If you are to take part in affiliate marketing, it is right to be well equipped as to which programs you should choose from. I have come up with a list of potential affiliate marketing programs you can choose from. Here is what I want you to do. If you are not lazy, take time to conduct a research on each of those programs as to how they work. When you find the program that resonates better with you, my friend, you should join it right away. As of this podcast, I am an affiliate for Amazon Associate, ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, and Warrior Plus. When you have made your decision, I want you to comment below this podcast and tell me which program you have chosen. I want to hear which one resonates better with you. Okay. Now let's go through some of these affiliate programs. We have Commission Junction, which is CJ Affiliate. We have Share a Sale, ClickBank, Impact, Warrior Plus, Amazon Associates, Digistore, Capitalist Exploits, Greg Revenue, Now Lifestyle, ClickBetter, Max Weber, ClickFunnel, AdFly, Wealthy Affiliate, Super Affiliate Network, Andre Academy, Zaxa, A4D, Affiliate Network, Revenue Network, Cash Network, Alpha Blueprint, Nexus Offer, Builderall, Bluehost, Hostinger. Oh, I'm also a member of Hostinger Network Marketing or Affiliate Marketing. If you are a fan of ClickBank, Amazon Associate, CJ or Warriors Plus, Bluehost and Hostinger, you can join through my affiliate links, which are found below this podcast in the description below. Click some of those links to join my affiliate networks. When you join through my links, I shall know that I have made a good impression on you, and therefore I will earn a commission for you joining using my affiliate link. Okay, now that you have learned about these affiliate networking programs, I think we have come to the end of this podcast, and I want you to comment below this podcast and tell me, do you think Hostinger resonates well with you, or do you want to go with CJ Affiliates or Amazon? Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.
A little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you.